I'm hungry. For lunch, for the menu, I'm cooking for you today. We're gonna have some ramen. I also just shut my finger in the car door about 3 hours ago, and I think I broke my finger because I can't move it.
Jesus.
Mama shrimp, tom yum shrimp noodles. So we're doing this, but we're gonna zhuzh it up a bit. First thing, we're gonna make like a mushroom, like soy mushroom sort of thing. Best thing to do, if you've got spring onions, use like the white bits for cooking and then the green bits for garnish. So we're gonna use them for cooking and we'll save them for later. We've just got some little button mushrooms and I've got a terrible knife. Got some eggs, boiled eggs.
Excellent.
Cracking. Boiling water, 6 minutes. Nice.
Get that to marinate a little bit. That on top there. Let it eat.
And then we're gonna go in with the base of the spring onion and some mushrooms, just in oil in the pan. Get some flavour in it, like salt, pepper. We got some chili flakes. 6 minutes, eggs, boiling water, and then as soon as 6 minutes is up, just pour cold water in. You kind of want to stop it cooking.
All drained off?
Yep. Go back over here. So I'm gonna put a load of soy in there. Cook them for a bit. And then we got coriander. So I'm just gonna do a little, chuck a bunch of them in there, because that'd be nice. And then we're almost ready to assemble. Eggs, done and peeled. Oh yeah, perfect.
He's absolutely nailed that.
I have nailed that. Nice.
Wet as an otter's pocket.
We're gonna go in with a mushroom mix. Some spring onions. You know, decorate it around. Do a bit of salt on the eggs.
Always salt your eggs.
Bit of Sriracha mayo. Nice little pattern on this.
Goes so hard. So good.